Well, we certainly have had some extremes this month in August with very warm temperatures and kind of what we're dealing with now with the extremely unseasonably cool temperatures. And that cold has been strong enough that it has brought our average temperature for the month to date down by about a degree or so. Notice here the average temperature this month is 78.6. We should be about 79.3 or so to be exactly at average. But unfortunately, the below average weather is not going to stick around because we look to turn above normal as we get into the weekend and beyond, where things could warm up in a pretty big way. And we look at 6 to 10 days out, look at the confidence here across the tri-state for above average temperatures. The darker the color, the higher the confidence. Remember that. It's not the darker the color, the warmer the temperatures. It's based on confidence of above or below average. And there is definitely strong confidence in above average temperatures over the next 6 to 10 days. We look 8 to 14 days out. Now we're out into September. Still some confidence in numbers remaining above average. So enjoy the below average temperatures while you can, because things look to warm up and possibly stay that way for a while. Notice temperatures for the most part today remaining in the 70s with all of that sunshine. We could have a couple of high clouds filtering through this afternoon, along with a little bit of gusty winds as that strong northeasterly flow continues. That's one of the things keeping us so comfortable with our temperatures and our humidity levels remaining on the dry side as well. Notice tomorrow morning still waking up to temperatures here in the 50s, and by the lunch hour mid-70s. Another great day to maybe sneak out to Kentucky Lake and hop on the boat for the most part. As we see numbers today, at least in Bowling Green, still falling shy of 80 degrees with some northeasterly winds developing by this afternoon, maybe a gust or two to 15 miles an hour or so. Everybody here getting into the 70s, maybe a couple of lower 80s the further west you go toward the Missouri line and the Mississippi River. Tonight, another very comfortable night as we'll fall into the 50s. But notice here on the extended forecast, yeah, we're comfortable to wrap up the week, but then here come the 90s in a big way by the time we get to the end of the weekend. The good news is humidity levels look to remain manageable by early next week and not as humid.